You're welcome to Math Easy Peasy. And in today's class, we shall be looking at the topic addition and subtraction of fractions. Now, our first question today is actually very simple. We're asked to simplify 9 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 whole number 3 over 4 plus 2 whole number 2 over 3. Solution. So the question is 9 whole number 1 over 2 plus 1 whole number 3 over 4 plus 2 whole number 2 over 3. Now the first thing we must do is to work on the whole numbers. We have 9 plus 1, which is 10, plus 2, which is what? 12. So we have 12 whole number. And the next step is to look for the LCM of the denominators. And the LCM of the denominators are 2, 4, and 3. Since 2 can divide 4, we're going to look for the LCM of 4 and 3. So the LCM of 4 and 3, that's the lowest number that can be divided evenly by 4 and 3 is 12. So our LCM becomes what? 12. Now the next step is to use the first denominator to divide the LCM. Whatever we get, we use it to multiply the numerator. So when we use 2 to divide 12, our answer will be 6. 6 times 1 will give us 6. And the sign after that is plus. We go to the next denominator, which is 4. 4 divided 12 is 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. And the next symbol there is plus, which is also, we're also going to use the last denominator to divide the LCM, which is 3. 3 in 12 is 4. 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. Now, this brings us to the next step. Now, in our next step, we're going to bring down a whole number, which is what? 12. And we simply add the numerators. Now, while adding the numerators, 6 plus 9 gives us 15. 15 plus 8 gives us 23. All over 12. Now, in fractions, we cannot leave our fraction in improper fraction. It is a taboo. So in that case, we must simplify it to become a proper word fraction, the fractional part. So when 12 goes into 23, we will have 1. Remember, we already have our 12 whole number. So the 1 whole number we get when we divide 23 by 12, we have 1 remainder 11. So that 1, we add it to our 12 whole number. And the remainder, which is 11 over what? 12. This simply gives us 13 whole number 11 over 12. Over 12. Math is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, dominion pizzas. That is the answer to our question. Let's take our second question for today. And our second question is simple. We are asked to simplify 12 whole number 1 over 2 minus 5 whole number 2 over 9. Now, we'll first write out our solution. Twelve whole number 1 over 2 minus 5 whole number 2 over 9. Now the first thing we must do is to subtract the whole numbers. Since our sign is subtraction, when we take away 5 from 12, our answer will simply become 7. Now the next step is to look for the LCM of the denominators. When we look for the LCM of the denominators, the LCM of 2 and 9 is 18. Now we go ahead to the third step, which is dividing the LCM by the denominator. When I divide 18 by 2, I will get 9. I will use a 9 to multiply the numerator. 1 times 9 gives us what? 9 minus. Now we do the second step. 9 in 18 gives us 2. We use that same 2 to multiply the numerator, which gives us 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 4. Now with this, we are going to the next stage, which is bringing down my whole number. Now subtract the numerators. 9 minus 4 gives me what? 5 all over 18. That is our final answer. Maths is actually easy peasy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, domino pizzas. See you in my next class. Do well to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video.